Hey, have you ever wondered about programming, Python, machine learning, artificial intelligence, data science, and all such kinds of buzzwords? क्या आप भी Python and machine learning सीखना चाहते हैं, but confused about where to start from? After successfully training students of all prominent colleges across Maharashtra and building a coding community of more than 500 students, EasyCode now brings you two Python courses, Python Core and Python Advanced. That too at minimal cost, without solving sessions, hands-on practice and chapter-wise quizzes. इन कोर पाइथन कोर्स हम आपको सिखाएंगे बेसिक concepts of Python right from introduction, then tuples, list, string, data types and all basic stuff. Whereas in advanced Python हम आपको सारी basic चीजें तो सिखाएंगे ही, but in addition to that we will teach you some very important libraries for machine learning with a guided project of machine learning. और इजी कोड की खासियत है कि हम आपको सिर्फ theoretical चीजें नहीं सिखाते. We teach you how to learn practically. We teach you how to do things practically. If you want to enroll to our course, please contact at the given number. To stay connected, follow us on Instagram at easy_code_classes. Thank you.